Hi guys, welcome back to our camping channel. Ethel and the Garcias. So this past Thanksgiving, I cooked a boneless sliced ham over the campfire in a Dutch oven. So in this video, I put some slides in there. So I found this cold chart on the campingfoodie.com. Hopefully that helps you guys whenever you're cooking something else. So that should help. So here we go. We're going to need 1 7-pound boneless spiral ham, 2 cups of brown sugar, 1 can of pineapple slices, keep the juice, 1 cup of water, and 1 stick of butter. You don't have to use the butter, but the butter adds more flavoring. Here we go. So the preparation, you're going to heat your coals first before you do everything else. You're going to start your campfire and get the coals hot and ready before assembling our ham. We're going to prepare the Dutch oven. Place a few pats of butter on the bottom of the Dutch oven. We're going to add our pineapple on top of the butter. Then we're going to add 1 cup of water into the Dutch oven. This is going to help us from our ham burning. It's also going to help us keep the ham moist. Then we're going to add half a cup of brown sugar. We're going to spread that evenly over the pineapple slices. Then we're going to add the ham on top. We're going to add the bottom side down on top of the pineapple and the sugar. And then we're going to tuck a few pieces of butter between the ham slices for extra moisture and more flavor. We're going to get down to the glaze. Here we go. 6 ounces of pineapple juice plus the 1.5 cup of brown sugar. We're going to mix that together. When that's all done, that's your glaze. We're going to place the Dutch oven over the hot coals. In the next slide, you'll see how many coals to add to it. We're going to pour our pineapple juice, our glaze, on top of the ham every 20 minutes. We're going to baste our ham every 20 minutes. The cooking time is going to take you between 2 to 3 hours, as long as you're cooking at a steady pace. When all that is done, you're going to remove from the heat and let that ham rest for 10 minutes. Don't just dig into it right away. You want that ham to marinate into it. So let that rest for 10 minutes. So what I end up doing, if you don't want to go through the whole slides and figure out how many coals that you're going to need. So you're probably going to need about 36 coals to get warmed up. Get them all nice and hot. You're going to need 10 on the bottom and then 16 on top. You're going to rotate your Dutch oven here and there in between you basting your turkey so that it is not burning.